going on, you guys and gals out there in YouTube land? RG here from Beer Reviews and Tools. And no beer today, a tool. Received this today in the mail, and let's see what we got here. I know it's a tool. Alright. Oh, looks like we got a case inside of a box here. A tool case. Alright. There we go. Let's open it up. I don't know, I haven't heard of this name before. I think that's UADCA, I think. But I'm not really sure. But anyways, let's take it out and see what we got. All right, it's nice. Oh, taped up. Okay, we got the tape off. Let's see here. There it is. Ah, green. My Ryobi that I have. Let me show a photo of that. And that is real nice, that Ryobi little ear handheld compressor. That was really nice. Saved me a lot of time using that. Alright, this here is a 20 volt. Comes with a battery. This is a charging. If you want to use your car, if it's in your car, which I'm going to do, I'm going to keep this in the car, the vehicles, and charge it from your power plug in your car or vehicle, whatever. This is the charger for it. To charge it right now. Oh, they come along with some tools on it. Alright, this is it here. Very similar to my Ryobi. The control buttons. The sign here. I'll be taking the battery out soon. Alright, this is it here. I don't know, it might be too close to the camera, but there we go. It's the battery for it. Not too heavy. 20 volt lithium. This is the charging. You want to charge it. From your car. Charging hole in it. Some utensils that came with it for football, beach ball, some other utensils. You probably know more about these than I do, folks. And then the cordless air tire pump portable air compressor user manual. If you have any concerns, please feel free to contact us. And they got an address there. And this tells what they are. Alright. F is a valve extender. Oh, that's nice. Charging. Tapered adapter is E. D is inflation needle. It does have a couple more blocks that they don't have here. Has another extender there or something. And here's this one here that they don't have. Whatever. Alright. C is the battery pack charger. B is the 12-volt DC car adapter. 3. I have the number 3, but no 3 up here. Some color photos of how to operate it. Set the desired pressure. Press the switch. Press the switch on the front side of the air pump to automatically inflate. You can hold with your hand or place it on floor to inflate yourself. Oh, we jumped ahead. We have some other ones here. About connecting to the valve stem. Press the power unit /unit button to see the value and present the pressure. After this is, remember, transferred from my Gamma Zoom in China. After starting up, the display will show the current air pressure value or the tire or inflated than before this inflates. I'm reading it wrong too. Settle desired value through the plus and minus on the digital display. After the numerical setting is completed, I'll get it on here. Wait for the set value to flash 4 times. When it stops flashing, that's the settling. That is completed. That's the pressure, and then it goes on to these ones here. How to do it. Nice. I just got a user manual that can be usable. Some of the values. Product name, the inflator. I will do a video on using this, is what I'll do. Alright folks, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Do things with the family. Get out there and do things. It's not a bad day. A little bit nippy out there today as well. It's fall. Turning into going to be winter. And Thanksgiving is coming, approaching. That's nice. I always like nice turkey Thanksgiving meal. It's always nice. Alright, so I won't run it too long here. Have a good day. Like I say, do things with the family. If you're going to drink alcohol, be an adult. From Eastern Massachusetts, RG's Workbench. There's my tool, my newest tool.